entertainment today. Okay, so what I purchased that's come in the box, I had to purchase the Nitro All-in-One Starter Kit. It's everything you need to tune your Nitro vehicle, all in one box. Later on, we'll review how the car works and the performance. Whenever I get it. So this is the Nitro All-in-One Starter Kit that comes with the package. I also purchased some oil for the foam filter to keep dust out of your RC car. And here is the Shockwave. Red Cat Racing Nitro Buggy. It is 4-wheel drive. It is a 1/10 scale Nitro engine. It has aluminum capped oil-filled shocks. So let's go ahead and open up Shockwave. Alright. Here is the Red Cat Racing Shockwave. Here's the fin that you'll have to assemble. Here is the receiver. The receiver is 2.4 GHZs. And here is the Red Cat Racing Shockwave. Comes with some assembly kits, part numbers. And there you have it. Check out my next videos to see the performance of this vehicle. Please don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. Thank you. Here's the Nitro All-in-One Starter Kit. Everything you need to start your new Shockwave. Okay, with the Nitro Starter Kit, you have cross winches to work on it. Got two of them, one small one, one large one. You get a rechargeable glow igniter. A bottle to hold your fuel. A screwdriver set. And your plug-in charger for your glow igniter.